want to get it mapped as soon as.
The VTEC one could be smoothed out. They used to bring it down a bit.
Oh, I'm well happy with that.
Good stuff.
Welcome back everybody, we've got a very exciting video for you today. Don't know if you can see, but we're over here at Surrey Rolling Roads for the £40 dyno day on a Saturday, and just see what the Civic makes unmapped and see what other cool cars are here. There's already a Focus RS and an Evo, but I think they're leaving, so yeah.
Civic is nearly ready to be put on. He's just getting it up to temp, and then we're gonna stick it on the dyno.
What do you think it'll make?
See, I think it will make. I'm hoping it makes over 200. But if it doesn't, I think you'll be very unimpressed.
I'm gonna be realistic with messed up AFRs. I reckon it's under 200.
But what? 190?
I'm going 194.
I'll go 200 dead.
Yeah?
I'll go 200 dead.
Alright. Standard. Got exhaust on it. Exhaust, inlet manifold, air intake, no matter. 200, 210. 200, 210. Some of them do, some of them don't. Yeah, I took away about the AFRs. Don't worry, I can check it out. It's been running like that for like 8 months and it runs good as gold, so.
So this time has come for the Civic to go on the rolling road. See what it actually finally makes. Then he'll get a baseline figure, and then we can
map it and
we can go from there.
Then we'll come back after a map.
We need to literally just to get a baseline figure, see what it's actually running. I'm gonna turn this giant fan on, get some cooling in here.
Well, that's
And we're gonna get it quite loud.
it's going to be on video.
VTEC feel a bit more powerful when they do that. So that runs all good, yeah?
Yeah, that can be mapped out when you.
Oh yeah. I want to get it mapped as soon as.
The VTEC one could be smoothed out. They used to bring it down a bit.
Oh, I'm well happy with that.
Good stuff.
Sweet. There you go. Mate, I'm fucking gassed with that. Alright, so a very successful day, I'd say. The EP3 made a very, very healthy 208.3 horsepower and around 148, 49 foot-pounds of torque. Can't complain with that unmapped. So yeah, oh, it's just time to get it mapped now, and it should hopefully see about 240, 250, and I cannot wait for that. All right, like and subscribe. I'll catch you soon. Laters.